This is my rental vehicle, a Fiat Panda, and the difference in price between automatic and manual is a little over $100, and that's fine because I prefer manual anyways. Let's go take a look. Fiat, French engineering. Whoever sat in here last was a small Italian. Whoever sat in here last was like a really small Italian. Wow. Oh, great, a 6-speed manual, what I prefer. I hate 5-speed. Okay, cool. Oh, it doesn't have a push button start. It does have a manual e-brake, which I prefer. And the interior feels like, feels like crap. And I hate the tachometer being on the right. I prefer it being on the left, but whatever, who cares? We're on our way to San Vito lo Capo.